Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the gorillas and defeat them to complete the quest from the adventurer on the jungle. Okay, first of all, you need to take the quest right here and you need to defeat 8 gorillas, and I'm going to show you guys how you can find the gorilla. Okay, wait. I'm going to go to this area, guys, to find the gorilla. Okay, the gorilla location is next to this island, the jungle. Oops, wait, let me defeat the monkey first. Okay, just follow me to find the gorilla location. From here you can go to this island. Okay, and the gorilla will be here, guys. And okay, this is the first gorilla, and I'm going to defeat the gorilla. We need to defeat 8 gorillas. And yeah, that's how you can find and defeat the gorillas on the Blox Fruits game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.